Hi everybody, today I'm trying my best to make a milk glass inspired pumpkin, faux milk glass. You can't really get the translucency of milk glass using paint, but we tried. This project took me 5 days to get from a pumpkin and some pearls to finally a finished pumpkin. It was mostly user error, lots of products not performing the way they should have. If you make this, be warned that it is very hard to get those pearls to stick to a ceramic pumpkin. I know I showed the E6000, I don't end up using that, I end up using Loctite super glue. But I've got the Dollar Tree pumpkin, some flat back pearls, an adhesive, and the little pen on the side is a We Are Memory Keepers quick stick. It just has a little, like the blue putty tack to put up posters in the tip, and it sticks to the top of the pearls so you can pick them up easily. If you don't want to buy one of those, you can always get like an orange stick for your cuticles, or a skewer, or even a toothpick, and just put some of the sticky tack on the end of it. But not having something to pick up those pearls was one of the first problems I had, because they're tiny and I just couldn't grab them with my fingers. And this was the pumpkin from Dollar Tree with the gold stem. It doesn't have a gold stem in this picture because at this point I have glued all the pearls on. They've all fallen off twice. And I've removed all the chalk paint, spray paint, and sealer that I put on top of this. To get back to this raw pumpkin to redo this video again. I actually have a companion video coming out to this that deals with everything that was going on while I was trying to make this, because I just feel like it's important to encourage people who are having a hard time with something that you can stick to it. And I'm just putting these on, and now I'm moving them around to get them perfect, but it doesn't matter because the E6000 doesn't stick. I ended up using 5 pearls on each section, so 50 total. And I just sped this up really fast so you could at least see where everything was going. The first version of this actually used 2 different sizes of pearls, which I really liked, but that was not meant to be. So that's it, just keep adding them till it looks like a little sea urchin or something. I'm just cleaning up the excess glue on the outside. Not that it matters, because the glue doesn't work. I'm slightly bitter about that. Has everybody realized that I'm slightly bitter about that? It looks like there's only 4 in there. I could have sworn I used 5. Yeah, I did. So here's the pumpkin all done. I have gone back and super glued everyone on with the Loctite. You don't have any time to move them around once you put that on there, which is why I didn't want to use super glue to begin with, but it's fine. They're not perfect anymore, but at least they're stuck. This little green thing is just a quilling tool that I'm using as a holder when I put the pumpkin down. And it was important here to go every direction I could. I went up and down, back and forth, diagonally, because you have to get the pumpkin painted and you have to get all of the pearl painted too. I did start off with chalk paint, but it was not treating me right, so I ended up going outside and spray painting it. So the next time you see it, it will be spray painted. You could start off with spray paint. That would probably be the smarter thing to do. And here it is, all painted. Everything's looking pretty good. And I'm applying a thick coat of Mod Podge Super Gloss. and there's a fly or a gnat or something that's been, I swear this is the same gnat that's been buzzing around my head for the past week. Again, back and forth, up and down, trying to cover everything. The super gloss gives it a really, really shiny finish, and it locks any of those pearls in that may try to think of escaping. So here it is, all shiny. I wish I could have gotten it translucent looking like milk glass, but there's only so much you can do with paint and sealer. But I do like it, it came out really good. So I want to thank you guys for watching. This video was a beast, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can make something with it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and have a good day. Bye.